Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is such a pleasure coming your way, and I hope you are doing very, very well. Yes, today we are making delicious party style jollof rice with my signature chicken that is so delicious alongside Ghana salad. So stay tuned with me until the end and let's make this. These are all our ingredients. Those were spices. Also, we have some Maggi cube here alongside Calabash, Nutmeg, and anise seeds. So to start with, I've got my tomatoes here and I'm going to prep and blend them. So I'm blending it with some bell peppers, onions, bay leaves, and carrots. The carrots and the bell peppers really helps to get rid of any sour taste from the tomatoes. So now that we've got our blended up tomato mix, we will put it on the cooker for this to cook down. On the other side, I have my herbs and ginger and garlic cube, as well as green pepper, Scotch bonnet, and some chopped onions. And I'm going to go ahead and blend these off camera. Okay, so with the chicken, I'm just going to make sure that I clean it very well. Okay, taking all the hair that I can see, and then onto my clean chicken goes in some of the blended pepper mixture that we just did. Okay, and for seasoning, I'm adding in smoked paprika, quite generous amount to give it nice color and that smoky taste. And also this is chicken seasoning cube and some anise seeds. Okay, after that I've just added a little bit of black pepper and some nutmeg and curry powder. Yes, these two will give your chicken stock such a really nice flavor. Okay, so I added some salt, a little bit of water, and I'm going to stir it well because this is soft chicken, so you want to make sure that it is really stirred in right from the beginning, so you don't stir it too much else it will rip. Okay, so now that this is ready, we will start making our stew straight away. And I've just gracefully added our pepper mix blend onto our hot oil and I'll stir it. Okay, so you want this to really cook well until you start seeing oil on the top. All right, my lovely. So now our chicken is cooked and done. And this stock, I'm telling you, look at the color. It tastes so amazing and it will do wonders with the jollof rice. Our pepper has really cooked well. Look, the oil is separating just fine. So this is the stage for us to add our tomato puree. And I'm going to give it a good stir to make sure that it is really well combined. Okay, so you want this to really cook well, you know, to get rid of any sour taste. So when you taste it and you no longer taste any sourness, then you know it is ready. And look, our homemade tomato sauce is ready. It tastes so nice. Okay, my lovely, so now we go ahead and add it onto our stew and mix it well and cover it halfway because you know that tomato stew will splash at every given chance. So cover it halfway and stir it from time to time so it doesn't burn. So it is ready now. As you can see, there is oil on the top. I just intentionally didn't use too much oil, but if you wish, you can add a bit more. So for seasoning, I just added 1 Maggi tablet followed by freshly grounded nutmeg, and this is curry powder and a little bit of star anise powder. So I will mix everything, and at this stage this stew smells amazing and it tastes so delicious. All right, family, so I just went ahead and reserved some of the stew. And here the aim is to toast the rice with the stew for a bit until the rice has really soaked in the stew well. And then we'll add our very delicious chicken stock as well. Okay, so that goes in, and then I'll top it up with a little bit of water. So you want to add your liquid in such a way that it will only loosen up the rice to cook with, so it doesn't end up too mushy. You can of course always go back and add in a little bit more water if needed, instead of starting with too much water and ending up with soggy jollof rice. Yes, my lovely. So I just added a little bit more salt, and this is good to go. And to finish it off, I'm going to add fresh basil leaves. Yes, to give it that intensified flavor. This is my signature chicken that I love so much with jollof rice. Okay, so to start with, as you can see, we are frying up some onions and green bell peppers as well. So only fry for a bit, and then scoop about 1 ladleful of your jollof stew. So you may want to reserve some onto the fry up together with the chicken stock, and then top it up with some chili flakes or even freshly chopped chilies, and stir it up. Okay, this will give your chicken that much needed taste. I went ahead and fried the chicken in the air fryer. You can deep fry it or even put it in the oven. Okay, so now as you can see, the chicken legs are really coated. It is not dry, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Over to the jollof rice. It is doing just amazing. And this is my secret ingredient that I love with my jollof rice recipes. It gives it that nice, distinct party flavor taste that we are looking for. Yes, so I sprinkled some, and I've stirred it in very well, and I'm going to cover it. And what is jollof rice without some much needed salad? Ghana salad to the rescue. Yeah. In here are some freshly chopped leaves, grated carrots, sweet corn, some sardines, boiled eggs, tomatoes and onions. And now look, our party style jollof rice is ready. It smells amazing, and it tastes so delicious, and must try for any special occasion. This one, it is a winner every single time. Yes, go ahead and serve it with your salad and the chicken. I hope you did like this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up. Please like it and subscribe with your bell activated. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed.